मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए। I need your answer. I need your answer. क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? वह मुझे पहचानता नहीं है। He doesn't recognize me. He doesn't recognize me. हमें अब निकलना चाहिए। We should leave now. We should leave now. क्या तुम्हें कुछ कहना है? Do you have something to say? Do you have something to say? मैंने तुमसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोला। I never lied to you. I never lied to you. वह बहुत अच्छा गाता है। He sings very well. He sings very well. मुझे उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? वह हमेशा मुझे परेशान करता है। He always troubles me. He always troubles me. मुझे उस पर विश्वास नहीं है। I don't trust him. I don't trust him. क्या तुमने मेरी बात सुनी? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? वह बहुत तेज बोलती है। She speaks very fast. She speaks very fast. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो। Give me some time. Give me some time. क्या तुम तैयार हो गए? Are you ready now? Are you ready now? वह मेरा बहुत पुराना दोस्त है। He is my old friend. He is my old friend. क्या यह तुम्हारा मोबाइल है? Is this your phone? Is this your phone? मुझे सच्चाई जाननी है। I want to know the truth. I want to know the truth. वह हमेशा मुझसे बचता है। He always avoids me. He always avoids me. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जा सकता। I can't go with you. I can't go with you. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? वह मुझसे बात नहीं करता। He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't talk to me. मुझे उससे कोई शिकायत नहीं। I have no complaint against him. I have no complaint against him. क्या तुम सब भूल सकते हो? Can you forget everything? Can you forget everything? मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब पसंद नहीं आया। I didn't like your answer. I didn't like your answer. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. क्या तुम्हें मेरी परवाह है? Do you care about me? Do you care about me? वह हमेशा सबको दोष देता है। He always blames everyone. He always blames everyone. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है। I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. क्या यह तुम्हारी पसंद है? Is this your choice? Is this your choice? वह यहाँ क्यों नहीं आया? Why didn't he come here? Why didn't he come here? मुझे किसी की जरूरत है। I need someone. I need someone. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा अभी? Did you just say something? Did you just say something? वह हमेशा मुझसे दूर रहता है। He always stays away from me. He always stays away from me. मुझे अपना मन शांत रखना है। I need to stay calm. I need to stay calm. क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? वह बहुत होशियार लड़का है। He is a very smart boy. He is a very smart boy. मैं यह काम खुद करूँगा। I will do it myself. I will do it myself. क्या तुम्हें मेरी याद आई? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? वह जल्दी वापस आ जाएगा. He will come back soon. He will come back soon. मुझे तुम्हारी बात पसंद आई. I liked what you said. I liked what you said. क्या तुम मुझसे खुश हो? Are you happy with me? Are you happy with me? वह बहुत तेज सीखता है. He learns very quickly. He learns very quickly. मुझे उसके बारे में बताओ. Tell me about him. Tell me about him. क्या तुम उसे पसंद करते हो? Do you like him? Do you like him? मैं उसे पहले से जानता हूँ. I already know him. I already know him. वह अभी तक नहीं आया. He hasn't come yet. He hasn't come yet. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगी? Will you marry me? Will you marry me? वह हर समय व्यस्त रहता है. He stays busy all the time. He stays busy all the time. मुझे थोड़ी देर अकेला छोड़ो. Leave me alone for a while. Leave me alone for a while. क्या तुमने सच में देखा? Did you really see it? Did you really see it? वह मुझे हर चीज में टोकता है. He interrupts me in everything. He interrupts me in everything. मुझे अपने काम पर ध्यान देना है. I need to focus on my work. I need to focus on my work. क्या तुमने कभी कोशिश की? Have you ever tried? Have you ever tried? वह मेरी जिंदगी में खास है. He is special in my life. He is special in my life. मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything else. I don't want anything else. क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand me? Can you understand me? वह मेरी हर बात मानता है. He agrees to everything I say. He agrees to everything I say. मुझे सब कुछ साफ साफ चाहिए. I want everything clearly. I want everything clearly. क्या तुम मेरी बात मानोगे? Will you obey me? Will you obey me? वह मुझसे सच्चा प्यार करता है. He truly loves me. He truly loves me. मुझे उससे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I want nothing from him. I want nothing from him. क्या तुम उसे मना सकते हो? Can you convince him? Can you convince him? वह मुझे हर चीज सिखाता है. He teaches me everything. He teaches me everything. मुझे अब कुछ नया करना है. I need to do something new. I need to do something new. क्या तुमने उसके बारे में सुना? Did you hear about him? Did you hear about him? वह बहुत जल्दी घबरा जाता है. He panics very easily. He panics very easily. मुझे अपने काम पर भरोसा है. I trust my work. I trust my work. क्या तुम मेरी मदद लोगे? Will you take my help? Will you take my help? वह मुझे बहुत समझता है. He understands me well. He understands me well. मुझे तुम्हारा साथ बहुत अच्छा लगा. I enjoyed your company. I enjoyed your company. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? वह कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. He never tells a lie. He never tells a lie. मुझे अपनी गलती माननी पड़ेगी. I will have to admit my mistake. I will have to admit my mistake. क्या तुमने सब कुछ देखा? Did you see everything? Did you see everything? वह हमेशा मुझे सम्मान देता है. He always respects me. He always respects me. मुझे थोड़ा समय और दो. Give me a little more time. Give me a little more time. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो अभी? Are you still angry with me? Are you still angry with me? वह मेरी बहुत इज्जत करता है. He respects me a lot. He respects me a lot. मुझे यह फैसला सही लगता है. This decision seems right to me. This decision seems right to me. क्या तुम सब कुछ भूल गए? Did you forget everything? Did you forget everything? वह मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहता. He doesn't say anything to me. He doesn't say anything to me. मुझे इस काम में मजा आता है. I enjoy doing this work. I enjoy doing this work. क्या तुमने उसे कुछ समझाया? Did you explain something to him? Did you explain something to him? वह मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद करता है. He expects a lot from me. He expects a lot from me. मुझे यह सब झूठ लगता है. It all seems like a lie to me. It all seems like a lie to me. क्या तुमने सच में उसे देखा? Did you really see him? Did you really see him? वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करता है. He always helps others. He always helps others. मुझे इस काम की ज़रूरत है. I need this work. I need this work. क्या तुम उसे फिर से बुलाओगे? Will you call him again? Will you call him again? वह मुझसे कभी नाराज नहीं होता. He never gets angry with me. He never gets angry with me. मुझे तुम्हारी परवाह है बहुत. I care about you a lot. I care about you a lot. क्या तुम मेरे बिना रह सकते हो? Can you live without me? Can you live without me? वह हमेशा मुझे खुश करता है. He always makes me happy. He always makes me happy. मुझे उसके साथ रहना अच्छा लगता है. I like staying with him. I like staying with him. क्या तुम मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? वह मुझसे हमेशा सच्चा रहता है. He is always true to me. He is always true to me. मुझे यह दोस्ती बहुत प्यारी है. I love this friendship a lot. I love this friendship a lot. क्या तुम आज मुझे याद करोगे? Will you remember me today? Will you remember me today? अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.